Have you ever wished for a personal assistant? Imagine having an AI at your service. ChatGPT can turn that wish into reality. Let's dive into how you can make it work for you in under 10 seconds. First, what is ChatGPT? It's an AI language model. It understands and generates human-like text. You can ask it questions, seek advice, or get creative help. Now, let's explore the 3 simple steps to use it effectively. Step 1. Access ChatGPT. Go to the OpenAI website or app. It's user-friendly and requires no special skills. Step 2. Type your prompt. Be specific about what you want. A clear question gets better results. Step 3. Read and refine. Once you receive an answer, feel free to ask follow-up questions. This dialogue helps you get the details you seek. Let's explain why this works. ChatGPT analyzes vast amounts of data. It learns from patterns in language. This allows it to provide relevant and insightful responses quickly. Imagine planning a dinner. You need ideas. Just type, "What can I cook for dinner tonight?" In seconds, you'll get various meal suggestions, recipes, and cooking tips. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful tool. Start by accessing it. Type a specific prompt. Then interact with the responses. You'll be amazed at how much it can assist you. So, are you ready to enhance your life with ChatGPT? Visit OpenAI today and unlock your personal AI assistant.